Hi and welcome to Vivid Racing's off-road YouTube channel. If we haven't met yet, my name is Sydney and I am the host of anything and everything VR off-road. In the 23 years that Vivid Racing has been open, we have accomplished so many milestones and had so many cool projects that you may have seen on our other YouTube channel. Projects like our Sema Bronco build, where we installed an Anderson Composite carbon hood, a K&N air filter, Stage 8 Icon Sasquatch Suspension, VRForged D14s, Baer's Big Brake Kit, and not one, not two, not three, but 4 Rigid Adapt XP lights, as well as tuning it with our VRtuned tuning box. We had a blast taking this massive car out to the desert and sliding it around. We have also done some power upgrades like installing a couple Magnuson Superchargers on 4Runners, Tundras, Tacos, and my favorite, our Jeep Gladiator Project. But it doesn't stop there because we did 3 different Raptor projects, including upgrading the turbos on an F-150 Raptor and tuning the Bronco Raptor, as well as upgrading the intakes and exhaust of a different F-150 Raptor. And we haven't just done cars and trucks. We've also done some pretty cool UTV projects where we've built, tuned, and beefed up everything from Razors to X3s and even the 1000R. So why am I telling you all of this? Well, it's to prepare you for what's next. Ultimately, we are going to make this YouTube channel a YouTube Shorts specific channel. You may see some longer videos from time to time, but for now, we'll be making shorts giving you information on off-roading brands, products, education, and terminology, and how to build your off-road rig on a budget. We hope you'll join along. See you in the next one, and happy adventuring.